Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy fried rice, and it only takes a few ingredients and it's really quick. This is a really simple recipe, and so I'm going to prepare what limited ingredients I need, and one of those are some spring onions. So what I've been doing lately with these onions, I've been cutting the tips off like this, and then I've been taking these and planting them in the garden. And these are getting a little bit old, but I think I can still use them. We'll just chop those up on an angle that makes them look nice. I have been wanting a carbon steel wok for some time, and so I went down to the thrift store yesterday, and lo and behold, they had one. These are normally like $45 or $50 or something like that. I got this for 12 bucks. So let's turn this on and get my fan on, because it's going to be probably a little smoky. We're going to let that warm up and then take 2 eggs, and we'll crack them and scramble them. Well, now while that's warming up, I'm going to show you my ingredients. We only need a few. So I did this rice yesterday and put it in the fridge, and so it works best with day-old rice, and let it dry out a little bit, and then you can fry it. So we have that there, and then you can do anything you want, but today I'm going to be just using peas and carrots that I have in the freezer. Why not? Simple. We also need our green onions that we already chopped up, and I'm going to make it easy and just use minced garlic because I have it and I want to use it. Then we're going to need oyster sauce and soy sauce. Our pan is starting to smoke, so we'll put the oil in, and then we'll fry this. And you don't need to cook this all the way, just enough to get most of it cooked. And then at this point, you go right back into your bowl. Okay, so now we're going to put oil in again. Maybe a tablespoon or 2. Now we'll put in our onions, a little bit of garlic, I want to soften the onions up a little bit, but don't let the garlic burn. Okay? And we're going to put in our rice. I'm going to start breaking this up. And you see, because I did this yesterday, it's not clumping together. It's nice and dried out, and then we can fry it. Something about like that. We can put in our veggies. Now we do a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. And some oyster sauce. And now we can add back in our eggs. All right, we are about done. And how's that for a $12 pan? Not bad, huh? So subscribe to my channel if you want to see more money-saving tips. Catch you later.